So here we are, an undisclosed Lincolnshire river. A bit cloudy today, no rain. Here we are. Been here lots of times. Not expected to find a great deal. Let's have a look anyway. So, I'm in. I've got my waders on. Very fetching. So let's see. What's that there? I think, yeah, it's part of a stoneware bottle, ginger beer or something. I've actually seen that before. I was going to put it on the bank, but it's decided to go back in. Like I say, it's pretty low, pretty shallow. Some pottery here, plain. Loads of pottery. I've quite a bit out of here. Interesting stuff over the years. Yeah. A few people have asked me where this is. Unfortunately, I don't tend to disclose my mudlarking haunts, locations. It's been hammered anyway. Remember this from last time. It's plain screw top sauce. 30s, 40s, maybe 50s, could even be 60s. Don't get a lot of rubbish in here, which is a refreshing change. Some bits of pottery here. It's quite nice. Don't know what it is, but might take that. Bottles, yeah, you do get a few in here. I think it's well picked over. A little bit of pottery. Quite nice. That's two nice bits. Sorry, I'm eating a toffee. A little bit of energy. So if you hear loads of undesirable sucking noises, it's me and my toffee. Now, before I go any further, big shout out to my new subscribers. Simon, something to do with gimbal. Sorry, I forgot your YouTube channel name. Also a guy called Marvin, I believe in the US. And you should check out my friend's channel, JJ's Total Adventures. Bit of willow there. Yeah, that's a good channel, JJ's Total Adventures. Like mudlarking, seeing stuff out and about, and fishing, which I do, which is my other hobbies. Massive shout out to, and I hope I get the name of the channel right, Magnetic North Mudlarking Adventures. Guy called Lee, absolutely fantastic channel, which you really should check out. Very interesting guy, regularly puts interesting videos out. I subscribe to him. Well, I've been a bit further and I've had this out. Looks like some kind of lid. Had some sort of handle on the middle there, but it's broken off. I'll put that there. Pick it up later. A few more bits of pottery as well. Like the orange bit. Never tend to find orange. She looks a bit sort of Clarice Cliff, that. Well, carrying on. A bit further from where we were. A few interesting finds. Quite nice, that bluey design. And some sort of handle. Quite decorative. Yeah, loads of pottery. I tend to find it more this side than that side. As you can see, that side is really algae covered. Yeah, this side reveals quite a lot. Just looking a bit there. Nah. I'm not sure what that is, to be honest with you. Never mind. Bottom of a bottle here, I think. Looks quite old. Guess we'll never know. Tend to find bits of bottles here. Not a lot complete. So I just think it's well hammered. It's quite near the centre of a town in Lincolnshire. That's why there's a lot of pottery. This side there is a hotel somewhere up there, a bit further along its houses. See the bottom of someone's garden there. So it would have been quite a busy thoroughfare, well, still is. So yeah, quite a lot chucked in. There's a piece there. Let's take that. That looks like a piece of tile, I would imagine. Reminds me of the sort of stuff you get in pubs, you know, the old stuff in pubs. I think I've just spotted my first piece of pipe stem. If you can see this. Yeah, there you go. Always find them. Got a tub at home with probably getting on for 100. It's not very big. I've had them about 3 times that size, but size isn't everything, or so they say. Put them in the pocket. Yeah, there's plenty of these tiles, bits of tile. That I would imagine is probably quite modern. No expert, but I think the older stuff tends to be thicker. I think I found another clay pipe stem. I'm sorry if you can't see this. It's here. Yeah, thinner that time. Another clay pipe stem. What's we got? Never sure what that kind of design is. Some sort of pot. I've seen it before, but the name escapes me. I tend to find the bits I don't want on the bank, so when I come back I don't find them again. What's this? That's some sort of pot. Don't know what it would have held, but it's quite old. Say late 1800s, early 1900s. Spotted something in the bushes there. Looks like somebody discarded. Oh, 2 in fact. Looks like a wine bottle screw top, so I think this is screw top as well. Ah, some sort of booze. Alka Pops, I don't know. It's sickly, all that stuff. What's this big white thing here? It's like a tile. It's a tile. Quite thin, I assume, not very old. Getting a bit deeper here now. Don't want to get a wet sleeve today. A bit of red pottery, let's see if I can get that. Yeah. Red's another colour I don't often find. Curious shape. No idea. Is this a copper bracelet? It's copper, whatever it is. It is. No, it isn't. It's copper coloured. That's some sort of cheap fashion bracelet. I hope this video is coming out okay. Just a bit more of that tile. I believe it is. Same one, I think. Not doing a very good job today. I seem to be sort of brushing past a lot of stuff. That looks bottle-like. No, it's not. A lot of things look like things like bottles and stuff. You turn them over, it's just a dark coloured stone. What's this? That's a bit of a plate. That looks old. Interesting. If you find broken plates interesting, that is. I do. I guess you do, or else you won't be watching. You can hopefully see there is plenty in here. I think that's Cornish ware, that blue and white stuff. No, I'm no expert. Water's not too cold today. It has been. It's I've had a few days of dull skies. I think this is a saucepan. No, it's not. No idea. No idea. Yeah, sun's been disappearing the last few days. This is the top of a bottle, which I don't think's old. Here we go, something we never want to see in the river. Scourge of modern society, vape. I'll be taking that with me. I've got to carry a bag in my backpack. I'll be going in the recycle. A bit deeper. Got this piece of tile. Rather nice, that. No idea how old. Believe it or not, it's older than me. You can see ahead, there's like a little shallow bank. Right, very unlevel ground here. I want to be a bit careful with your feet. Somebody's garden to me right, which I'm not going to film. Respect their privacy. Here we go. A bit shallower. See a bit of plate down there. I'm guessing is plain. And it is. What's that? No idea. That's looks like possibly handle of something. Here's a little beach. I don't think I know by the looks of it, but looks like a mud bank, shallow area. I haven't found a great deal at this point. Oh, it's very deep there, look. So it's probably over my knees. Yep. It's over my knees. Good job for the weed today. I thought I'd bring you back. Found that. As you'll know, that's part of a jam marmalade pot. Possibly Victorian. And nothing else much really. top of a bottle. Yeah, I'm not sure if that's old or not. I wouldn't think it is. Ooh, another clay pipe stem, I think. Yeah, I think it is. What's a hole in the middle? I don't think it is. It's something pottery. Is it the handle of something? I don't know. Not a clay pipe stem anyway. Carrying on. A few bricks. Never find a nice embossed brick. I'd love to. Ooh, blue glass. I'm not sure if that's old or not. You don't tend to find that sort of glass nowadays, modern that is. I don't know. Should sing you a song really. Here's a bottle. Let's have a look. It is a modern beer bottle. Stay in the bushes. We'll have a nice piece of pottery down here. That would have been nice. Some sort of quite big, some sort of serving platter. I don't know what they call them. Charger. Have all, you know, all your vegetables in there and you pass them around the table. I don't know. Can't really do a script with this sort of thing really. I mean, just babble to fill the gaps in really. Yeah, it's been through a real deep part. You can't see the bottom, which is a shame, because that's where there could be some real treasures. I found something useful. Paintbrush, good condition. I shall take that home. And another dreaded vape. Should be going in my bag. Gone through another deep part. Got a bit shallower, so I thought I'd bring you back. Oh, here is a bottle. You see that? What do you reckon? Should have some sort of competition. Let's have a look. I would say not old. Some sort of spirits. I shall leave it there. I thought he was in for a good one there, guys. Never mind, I got my paintbrush. It's a rather old bridge. Bit of history about that. Unfortunately I can't tell you because then you'd know where I was. You might guess anyway. It's like the bottom of a bottle. Trying not to get my sleeve wet. Just try and move it with my foot. I don't think it is a bottle. Nah. Certainly one worth getting my sleeve wet anyway. Did that last time and it took me all day to dry out in the car. Finding a great deal again. No fish today either. Oh, as I said that, possibly might have seen one. What's this? Rather big pottery. It's like some sort of plant pot. Guess this is a mug. loads of Carlsberg bottles in here. One here. Must have had some deal on them in the last few years. Some nearby shop. This is the bridge. Oh, there's a date on it, 1815. Show you that in a minute, get a bit closer. It's going to get deep here, I think. Yeah, I've just seen a trout go past. Bottle there. Pretty sure it's a new one. One down there, another Carlsberg, I think. Yeah, I can't really see it really well. 18, I thought this is 1815. Well, I've been under the bridge. It was past my waist in places. I had to step under, show you. Right, you can see it. Collecting like rubbish. 3 footballs, the bowl, too much for me to carry anyway. Got my sleeves wet. Found a bottle, which I found out once I got my sleeve wet was a modern bottle. I suppose you've got to be in it to win it, as they say. Yeah, let's put my bag down a minute. Rugby ball, anyone for rugby? Yeah, lovely. So a chat with a nice old lady. That's why I turn the camera off. I like to respect people's privacy. I think that's featherware. And I've just seen sherd here. Rather mucky, but I think that's willow. Yeah, it's willow. So I'm going to press on a bit further. I can just squeeze through them that grate. It's a bit deeper, and yes, I have seen trout, by the way, definitely trout. Well, another pipe stem with the bowl. I think I may, yeah, there you go, there's another vape here. Another vape. Possibly another bit of pipe stem. Let's have a look. Yeah, a little bit there. And a bottle. I've been finding loads and loads and loads of I think Carlsberg bottles. I guess this is something similar. Yep, some sort of modern beer bottle. Another clay pipe stem. No, sherd of glass. Loads and loads and loads of modern bottles. Seen 2 trout. Quite tame they were. They're normally off before you see them. Yeah, it's a chalk stream. This is. Trout love it. So nothing earth-shattering today with regards to finds. Oh, what's this? Some kind of oriental piece. The bottom of possibly a cup. I shall take that and have further investigation at home. Don't normally get as far as this. What's this? Alright. That's been quite big. Nice flower on there. I saw something else. Oh, a bottle. What do you reckon, guys? Carlsberg, Heineken, cod bottle. Let's have a look. I don't know. Modern anyway. Another one here. 16.99, so I guess that's post 1972. Post decimalisation. Bit of Carlsberg bottle there. Is this a bottle? No, it's a stick. Very clear here. Tile here. I think it's quite modern looking at the back. There you go, some more Carlsberg for you. They've been quite close to the centre of the town. I guess this has been mudlarked for years on and off. That's why you don't find a great deal. I have actually found complete bottles here. There's a video, I think on my channel, where I found an ink. That was last year. Some local beer bottles, old. Not a lot today. I'm not even going to put my hand into that brown bottle there. It's lovely. Oh, there's a bottle. Let's have a look. That is older. That is older. I can tell because it's got an internal screw. Can't quite read what it says. Going up a little bit, and I believe it says Scunthorpe Brewery. I think that's what it says. I've got my glasses on. But yeah, that is an old bottle. Well, reasonably old anyway. It's older than a Carlsberg. Put it there for now. What's this? Ah, finds are getting better. Oh, stoneware ginger beer or something. Nothing on it. Fingers crossed I might have hit a good spot. It works like that though, does it? That's bigger than a Carlsberg, I think. Let's check it out. Yeah, it's still quite modern. Some sort of wine, I guess. This bottle, I think. Hell, just dropped it. I don't know if that's old or not. Don't think so. Looks like it's got a metal cap on it. No idea. Right. Don't know how much of this you can see. I bet you can't see this, but I'm pretty sure we've stumbled upon an old bottle. Chance of it being whole if it is old. Pretty slim. It's like it's wet sleeve time though. Here we go. Yeah, that has got a bit of age. No embossing on it. No idea. I'm guessing there'd be a label there on that panel. Yep, that's one to take home. No idea how old. And I found another one here as well. So look, could be a winner. Well, possibly could have been, but it's broken. Strange shape. You can see that. Well, but yeah, that's probably the bottle of the day. I've just heard a trout splash in front of me. Yeah, I've just seen, there we go. I don't know if you probably can't see that, there's two trout there. Nice if you could. Another bottle shaped object here. No, not putting my hands in. I think it's part of a Carlsberg. Yeah, another bridge. Got to say, yeah. A bit more interested, possibly. Found possibly a broken ginger beer, or is it a bit of drain pipe? Just trying to move it to shoulder water with my foot. So what? Oh yeah, it is an old stoneware bottle. No writing on it. Shame. Shame, shame, shame. Green bottle. What do you reckon? Carlsberg, Heineken, Cod, Hamilton. I'm keen on sticking my hand in there, it's too deep. Just trying to move it to shallow area with my foot. Well, in for a penny, in for a pound. Or in for a Carlsberg. Never mind. Yeah, to the other side of the bridge now. I've seen what could be a bottle. A bit deep here. Just moving it with my foot. I'll bring you back if it's anything worth talking about. Well, it was nothing, that bottle. It was clear though. Makes a change from seeing a green Carlsberg bottle. I've just had this bit of pottery. Quite like that. This might be the last part of the video, this, because I'll be heading back soon. Want to miss the traffic if I can. Spotted another sherd. Sure what that is. Sort of green. But yeah, I'll say goodbye now from the river. Thanks for joining. Please like and subscribe.